Hello everyone, we're here at the Home2 Suites here in Kansas City, Kansas, near the Kansas University Medical District. And today we're going to do room tour, room 111. Now normally these rooms here are usually half, so my room size is about twice as big. So I'll show you guys why. But Ryan, do your honors. Alrighty, so as you walk in here, you got this very nice sitting area. But before we do that, let's take a look at the safety security features. So over here, you have your usual safety security features. We have your deadbolt lock, as well as this extra security protection. As you know, we have two of these peephole things. And your floor plan. No, normally this room here in particular is about half of the size, but this is double. So this one room takes about two regular sized rooms like these here. So let's start with the area you walk in here. So you have a desk over here with three very nice chairs, I gotta say. And a very nice table too. These chairs are, even though they look plastic-y, they're very nice. You have a very nice wood table. Seats about 3 people. Over here, we have a, I would say not a full-size kitchen, but more like a mini kitchen. This is obviously fake. This is for like show, but because the sink. But we have here is a trash can. Pick it up. And we have here is a dishwasher, which is pretty interesting. And it's actually pretty clean. It's definitely pretty clean. Made by Fridgeware. And over here, you have your fridge here. Like, not like a full-size fridge, but more like 3/4 size fridge. Nice. The cold section there. And if I can open this up here. Pretty big fridge, let's say. Better than the regular size fridge you find out at other hotels. Obviously made by Danby. Then over here, we have a microwave. Made by Frigidaire. And actually it's pretty clean. So that's always hard to clean. And then over here we have drawers of various utensils. Not sure what you got to do with that. Definitely an odd use of materials here. Dishes and all that. And let's see, what do we have on the bottom here? Oh, well, this is interesting. We have a toaster. Toaster with a plug. Solid thing. And up here we have your towel, ice bucket, glasses, plates, then your sink, as well as with dish soap and a sponge. So over here we have your living room area. There's a TV, which is actually pretty nice. Then you have your you have your desk, but you can roll it out onto the area here. And you have your connecting room there, which if you have more than say about 3 people, you have a room next door you're sharing with. You can open that up, but this is just 2 here. And over here we have the digital thermostat here. This is actually for this side of the room. There's actually another one in the bedroom here, which we'll show you guys a little bit later. But you have like the heat and cool and your fans. So let's take a look at the living situation a little bit further. So over here, we have another cabinet here, which I'm assuming is for like all of like the essential stuff for the. Yep, I kind of figured that's for the bed and the couch. And then over here we have your light switch here, which just controls this light switch. And then we have your blind here and shade. There's shade button. So we have electric shade here. And then you have a nice view of a road and cars parked in the parking lot. Right here we have your AC unit right here, which is controlled by the thermostat I showed you a few minutes ago. See? This unit is controlled by the wall thermostat. And then here you have your couch here, which can also be turned to a bed. Now, guests, please show the people that you can technically convert this to a bed. Yep, there it is. And then we'll go to the bathroom here. The bathroom has 2 doors. We're in the bedroom right now. We'll show you that here in a minute here. But this bathroom is actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. You have this toilet here, which is handicap accessible. Don't forget about the handrails. You got a handrail over there, just in case people. This is American Standard toilet. Pretty nice. Get extra roll of toilet paper just in case. And then over here we have a pretty nice sink by color. And this is a hair dryer. And plenty of towels here. Let's see what's in this drawer. Nothing. Let's see what we have in this sink here. So we have hand towels, soap, a pretty nice sink, and a nice me in the mirror. Hi. You know, as well as tissues. It's pretty nice. Then over here, we have a pretty big shower with a chair, well, a foldable shower chair on the wall. We use soap dispensers. The shower heads are pretty nice. We got two shower heads, so we have one up here, and then we have one down here for ADA compliant height, and then one of those valves turns from this up here to down there, as well as hot and cold. Now we have your bed, the main attraction, which is a bedroom with, you know, a chair, very random chair, which I'm not sure how many people sit in this chair, but it's definitely an odd placement for this, because maybe someone could sleep on there and just have a conversation here. Who knows? You never know. And then we have your phone, which you call front desk for anything, pretty much anything. This is a pretty nice bedroom. This actually has tall ceilings here. And then you have another TV here with another thermostat that controls that. Got some drawers here for putting your clothes in here. It's pretty nice. Whatever, I can't reach it down there. It's actually pretty nice drawers. I think you have one more door over here. So this door is a couple more places you can put your clothes in. And then over here we have your ironing board, as well as your hangers, lots of hangers actually. In fact, this here, you can put your lower hangers for people with disabilities. So that's why that is there. And then same view as, pretty much the other window. And pretty much has electric, window covering and all that. So this is actually a pretty nice hotel room. I thought I would share this video because honestly, I've never. This is one of the nicer Home2 suites properties I've been to. Yeah, it's one of the more unique rooms I've seen, where instead of having two smaller rooms, you have this one big, massive room. So, anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.